New higher forecast 2027 Social Security COLA just increased again DTV FAB. Anyone come first time my channel, please subscribe, hit the like button and share with your older friends. Social Security benefits range may be getting a much bigger range in 2027 than expert expected just week ago. A brand new forecast now predicts a possible 3.9% COLA increase, up sharply from the earlier 2.8% estimated. That sudden jump could mean larger monthly check for millions of retirees, but there a catch many Americans still don't see coming. What is happening with the 2027 COLA? After months of stable projection, the forecast for the 2027 Social Security Cost of Living Adjustment or COLA has suddenly increased. According to the Senior Citizen Lingu, the estimate 2027 COLA jumped from 2.8% to 3.9% in just 1 month. Rising inflation and higher living costs are driving the increase, especially in housing, utility, grocery, and healthcare. How much more could retiree receive? The average Social Security retirement benefit in April 2026 was about $2,081 per month. If the projected 3.9% COLA become official, that average payment could rise to approximately $2,162 monthly. That equal an increase of around $81 every month, or nearly $1,000 more over an entire year of many retirees. Why did the forecast increase so quickly? The biggest reason is inflation. New consumer price index data show price rising faster than expected in April 2026. Energy price alone increased by 3.8%, accounting for a large portion of overall inflation. When fuel and transportation costs rise, grocery price and other daily expenses often climb to putting extra pressure on retirees living on fixed income. Seniors say costs are rising faster than benefits. Many older Americans say their social security check no longer stretch as far as they once did. The senior citizen Lengu estimate benefit have lost more than 13% of their buying power since 2016. According to the group, benefits would need to increase by roughly 15.7% just to fully recover that lost purchasing power. Medicare could reduce the real increase. Even if Social Security benefit rise in 2027, many retirees may not feel the full increase because Medicare costs are also expected to climb. Medicare Part B premium are usually deducted directly from Social Security check. Correct projections suggest standard Part B premium could rise from $202.90 in 2026 to around $218.60 in 2027. Why the official number is still not final? It's important to remember that the 3.9% COLA is still only a forecast. The official Social Security COLA for 2027 will not be announced until October 2026. The final number depends on inflation data collected during July, August, and September. If inflation continues rising, the final COLA could go even higher. One man retiree can increase their benefits. Experts also remind retirees that delaying Social Security can significantly boost monthly benefits. Waiting beyond full retirement age increase benefit by about 8% per year until age 70. On the other hand, claiming benefits early at 62 can permanently reduce retirement check by up to 30%. Do you think a bigger cola increase will actually help retirees keep up with rising price? Or will higher healthcare and living costs continue to cancel out the gains? Share your thought in the comment and subscribe for more update in Social Security, Medicare, retirement benefit and government payments. Bye bye.